All right, Kingsmill, welcome back. It's a busy Friday afternoon. It's been a busy last couple of weeks. You're gonna see people working, you're gonna hear some noise, but we're excited at the progress the past couple of weeks. Couple notes, all the new equipment is in Richmond. It's there, it's delivered. So installs in about 10 days. We're gonna do some video updates and show you as we go through the install process. Also, all of our new Eagles furniture has arrived, new dining room furniture and outdoor patio furniture. That is stored and ready to go as soon as we make the transition. So we are moving and shaking. Over here in the sports club, we laid flooring last week. On the weight sided, we have this matte black rubber flooring. And on the cardio side, we have the LVT panel flooring. And then we are actually gonna have an AstroTurf section as well. In this middle section, it's gonna be AstroTurf. So as we look around the building, the floors are actually covered to keep them from getting scratched or beat up. But the install went great the last couple days. So excited the progress that was made there. And then on top of that, we're gonna go take a quick walk through the childcare room, show you the new cabinetry that's arrived. Some of it's been installed. And then we're gonna go show you a quick look in the men's restroom. The urinals and toilets have been installed. Let's go take a look. Also, brand new front doors. They match the black with the rest of the building. Those got installed this week. They look great. All right, so childcare room. Yes, we are bringing childcare back. We are looking at all options for programming, extended hours, current operations. We got the whole program under review. But we got great new equipment coming. We have all new play toys, play sets coming. So this is some of the cabinetry that's gonna get installed throughout the facility. Quite a beautiful piece of wood. And then we've already started our first install here in the Child Care Center. It's going great. So back in this room, we are gonna put TVs. We got the restroom again. It's gonna be a great place to bring your kids and let them hang out while you work out and use the facility. Flooring in the men's locker room comes next. Getting all that ready to go. Getting it dried out. The restroom flooring has been installed. Urinals and toilets in place. The sink cabinetry has been installed. Sinks are up next. And then the team's putting the finishing touches right now on the men's locker room, sauna, and steam room. One or two more pieces to go there. And then the ladies will be complete as well. So lots of exciting things going on. Super excited about the progress. We're gonna continue to do more updates rapidly here as we finish out this project and keep you updated. Thanks, Kingsville.